things just took a completely unexpected turn. Over $80 billion are at stake. People are panicking, and we can't blame them, because what I am about to reveal you next can completely change your perspective on the crypto market as a whole. But what am I talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. In an unexpected twist, Bitcoin ETFs have experienced the fourth consecutive day of outflows, driven by significant selling of BTC by Grayscale. This news is particularly intriguing, given that the recently approved Bitcoin ETF had been exerting immense buying pressure, flooding the crypto space with hundreds of millions of dollars every day. If you remember, this surge in demand was one of the key factors propelling Bitcoin to a new all-time high, surpassing $70,000. This bullish momentum also extended to other altcoins, with many following Bitcoin's trajectory. Notably, Shiba Inu saw an astounding 200% rise just 2 weeks ago, underscoring its responsiveness to Bitcoin developments. So, witnessing the fourth consecutive day of outflows is something very unexpected. Usually, when we observed an outflow from the Bitcoin ETF, it coincided with a drop in the prices of the entire crypto space. This correlation makes sense because significant selling pressure from the ETF can signal a lack of confidence in the market, leading investors to sell off their assets, thereby driving prices down. Note that just a couple of days ago, we witnessed Bitcoin ETF outflows reaching historic negative numbers, further exacerbating this downward pressure. However, yesterday presented a surprising turn of events. Despite experiencing a substantial outflow from the Bitcoin ETF, the crypto market exhibited bullish behavior, pumping nonetheless. And what's more intriguing is that today, the price has remained flat. This divergence from the usual pattern presents a very interesting scenario unfolding in the market currently. However, unfortunately, Grayscale doesn't seem to be halting their Bitcoin selling spree anytime soon, and they possess a massive amount of Bitcoin. And when I say massive, I really mean tens of billions of US dollars. The only recourse at the moment seems to be patience. Once Grayscale exhausts its Bitcoin supply through selling, the buying pressure from other Bitcoin ETFs will eventually surpass it. A recent chart posted on Twitter sheds light on the situation, revealing that BlackRock's Bitcoin holdings are steadily approaching those of Grayscale. While Grayscale continues to dump its substantial Bitcoin reserves, exerting significant selling pressure on the entire crypto market, BlackRock is gradually but confidently increasing its holdings. To put it in simpler terms, imagine Grayscale as a giant water tank continuously draining water, Bitcoin, into the market, causing a downward pressure on prices. Meanwhile, BlackRock is like a smaller but steadily filling tank, slowly counteracting the effects of Grayscale's draining. Eventually, when Grayscale runs dry, BlackRock's contribution will become more dominant, leading to a shift in market dynamics. And this is where things get interesting. A Twitter user recently unveiled a meme coin market chart that caught everyone's attention. Their tweet reads, "Meme coin weekly trading volume nearly hit $80 billion this week. That's either a local top or a new paradigm." This tweet ignited a flurry of discussions within the entire crypto community. The staggering trading volume mentioned in the tweet, nearing $80 billion, is certainly eye-catching. It poses a significant question. Are we witnessing the peak of a temporary trend, or are we entering into an entirely new era in the crypto market? The reason behind the heated discussions sparked by this tweet could be attributed to the sheer magnitude of the trading volume mentioned. Such a substantial volume suggests a significant shift or development within the meme coin market, prompting analysts and enthusiasts alike to speculate on its implications for the broader crypto landscape. The intriguing aspect of this debate lies in the fact that these two possibilities represent diametrically opposed scenarios. Let's break them down. A local top refers to a temporary peak in the market, indicating that prices may have reached their highest point within a relatively short-term time frame. It suggests that a downward correction or consolidation phase may follow. On the other hand, a new paradigm signifies a fundamental shift or breakthrough in the market dynamics, suggesting sustained growth and a departure from previous norms. It implies that the current trading volume may be indicative of a broader trend towards increased adoption and acceptance of meme coins. The contrast between these two possibilities makes the discussion all the more intriguing, as enthusiasts weigh the potential implications for the future trajectory of the crypto market. Just look at Shiba Inu with over $20 billion volume. That is some crazy number. And here's something you should understand. Despite the outflows seen in Bitcoin ETFs, a closer examination of the Bitcoin market as a whole reveals an intriguing statistic. Approximately 80% of Bitcoin hasn't moved in the last 6 months. This phenomenon typically indicates that a significant portion of investors is holding on to their Bitcoin rather than actively trading or selling it. The rationale behind this behavior is fairly straightforward. Bitcoin, often viewed as a long-term investment or store of value, tends to attract hodlers, investors who believe in its potential for future appreciation. These hodlers are inclined to hold on to their Bitcoin regardless of short-term price fluctuations, anticipating that its value will increase over time. In the context of the current debate surrounding the market's potential local top, this statistic takes on added significance. If indeed the market had reached a local peak, one might expect to see a higher percentage of Bitcoin being sold off as investors cash in their profits. However, the fact that 80% of Bitcoin remains unmoved suggests that a considerable portion of investors is holding out, perhaps in anticipation of further price increases in the crypto market. This side of the argument implies that despite the concerns raised about a potential local top, the prevailing sentiment among a significant segment of Bitcoin holders is one of optimism, with many expecting the crypto market to continue its upward trajectory. Adding to the intrigue of the current market dynamics is the looming Bitcoin halving event, scheduled to occur in less than 30 days. And historically, this event has been associated with significant price movements of the whole crypto market. Additionally, in a recent revelation, Lucy, an official member of the Shiba Inu development team, has boldly proclaimed her belief that Shiba Inu has the potential to achieve a new all-time high before the halving takes place. This statement injects a fresh wave of anticipation and excitement into the market, particularly for Shiba Inu investors who may be eyeing substantial gains in the near future. The convergence of these factors, the impending Bitcoin halving and Lucy's optimistic outlook for Shiba Inu, adds another layer of complexity to the ongoing discussions surrounding the direction of the crypto market. It underscores the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, where even seemingly minor developments can have significant ripple effects on investor sentiment and market dynamics. Furthermore, a new bullish revelation has emerged from a prominent crypto analyst on Twitter. Their tweet highlights a fascinating observation. Days after breaking old all-time highs, currently 13, days to bull market peak after breaking old all-time highs, between 266 to 315 days. This analysis suggests that we may have entered a sustained bull market phase, with approximately 300 days remaining for the market to fully express its growth potential. Such insights offer valuable context for understanding the current market dynamics and provide optimism for continued upward momentum in the crypto space. As investors digest this information, it adds another layer of confidence and excitement to the prevailing sentiment, reinforcing the belief that the crypto market is poised for further expansion and exploration of new highs in the days and months ahead. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.